Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jewelry by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Thursday. This is Darlene. As you know, the grind does not end. So I am sitting here making some bracelets. I made some bracelets already. I didn't record those because those are ones I don't want to show. However, I'm going to show you some that I'm going to make using some of the gold flake black beads. I'm going to be using some of these beads, and I'm also going to be using some of these hand painted beads here. So we're just going to go ahead and get something started and try to make a really nice bracelet. Oh, and I'm going to use the agate bead as the charm. I'm going to use some of these small wood beads, and I'm using 1.5 millimeter stretch cord, and that's what the bead looks like. And then we're going to go ahead and use a couple of our foil beads. I can't believe it's already Thursday. The week has went by like really fast. It's been a whole lot going on. And then we're going to go ahead and use this one. We're going to use another small. These are 8 millimeter wood beads, I believe. And I got these off of Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and use another one of the foil beads. And then this is what it's going to come out looking like. And it looks exactly like what I want it to look like so far. So far, so good. And as you know, it does not take very long for bracelets, especially if you already know which beads you want to use. Fast, quick, straight to the point. And if you had to make bulk bracelets, you know, like for your wholesale shop or to be selling anywhere at an event or somewhere, bracelets are like really quick and easy to make. So you can bulk these up like real fast. And I'm only using, you can see what that looks like so far, just 3 different beads. 1, 2, 3. And that's what we got. And then we're going to go ahead and use a couple more of our gold foil beads, or black with gold foil. And I think we should have enough beads. Yep, we got just enough. And oh yeah, this is really pretty. I think I might be able to put one of these small wood beads. So this would have to be for bigger, well, not necessarily. Yeah, for a bigger wrist if I add that. So I'm going to take that one off. We're going to go ahead and tie this. Actually, hold on a second. That would be, because it'll be a little bit big for my wrist. So I'm going to take one of these off. And then let's see something. Okay, that I probably need to add another, because my wrist is a 7, so I want this to be about a 7.5. So let's see. As long as it gives my wrist a little, yep, a little leeway. So I need a little space on here. And that looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and start tying the knots. You know, I like to make a lot of knots. I like to build up the knot so I can put it into the big hole, pull that knot into the big hole. And then what happens with that is the stretch cord will fit snugly into the hole. and that gives you like an extra layer of security. So if it fits snugly in the hole, that lessens the chance of the cord being able to come apart. So I like to make a nice big knot and then pull that knot into that hole. So we're going to go ahead and clip it, and you can see that hole, and we're going to go ahead and pull that right in there. And then this is what the bracelet looks like so far. How pretty is that, right? And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put our agate custom charm on here. I thought I had some jump rings up here somewhere. I do. And then we'll just go ahead and put this agate. We'll slide it about right here. Go ahead and close that down. And then this gives us a really cool, beautiful bracelet. Just everything is handmade. All the beads are hand painted. The charm is custom made with one of the agate beads. And these are the type of pieces that I'm going to have on, well, in my store on the new platform. So I am still making pieces to be adding to the store. And I am going to do a nice full inventory of beautiful bracelets. So I have been putting a lot of energy into different designs for beads and all that good stuff. These beads right here will be on the website later today. And these are beautiful. You can see how pretty they look. It's a beautiful bracelet. So I'm going to sit here and make more of these. I'm going to be using some different beads, matching them with these beads right here. So I can have, I just want a lot of inventory made so that when my store, the new store, on the new wholesale platform, I want to have I want it full of inventory. So once the store is completed, I can go on there, upload a whole lot of inventory, and then begin to utilize their internal promotional tools that they have, where I could go ahead and promote to like the different stores, Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom's, Lord and Taylor, like all the different ones that buy from that specific platform. So I got a little strategy planned out, and I'm hoping it works out, but I really do like this. This is really pretty. You guys let me know what you think. Darlene, not for Jewelry by BDK, and I hope everybody is having a really good day, and we'll talk.